This is a continuous coverage over those allegations that have been leveled by the women wrestlers there, even as the protests continue there in the national capital. What's happening there in Lucknow? Let's get your ground update. मनीष हमारे साथ सीधे तौर पे जुड़ गए वही ट्रेनिंग कैंप से, जिसे फिलहाल अभी रद्द कर दिया गया वहां की ट्रेनिंग के लिए। बताया जा रहा है कि यहीं पर जितने मामले हैरेसमेंट के हुए हैं वो यहीं पर हुए, ये आरोप लगाया जा रहा है। मनीष,
देखिए, बिल्कुल साई का सेंटर है, यहाँ पर राष्ट्रीय उत्कृष्टता केंद्र भी है। जो कुश्ती से जुड़े तमाम खिलाड़ी हैं वो यहाँ पर प्रशिक्षण लिया करते थे। विनेश फोगट ने जो आरोप लगाया है इसी का जिक्र किया है कि लखनऊ में जब राष्ट्रीय शिविर हुआ था, जब प्रशिक्षण केंद्र आयोजित किया गया था, उस वक्त कुछ खिलाड़ियों का यौन शोषण हुआ था। उसमें जो फेडरेशन के चेयरमैन हैं, जो अध्यक्ष हैं ब्रजभूषण शरण सिंह, उनकी भूमिका थी। कल बुधवार को यहाँ पर एक प्रशिक्षण शिविर की शुरुआत हुई थी। बाहरी राज्यों से भी खिलाड़ी यहाँ पर आए थे। कुल मिलाकर 50 से 60 उनकी संख्या थी। तो अब आधिकारिक रूप से वो कार्यक्रम रद्द होने के बाद उन खिलाड़ियों को भेजे जाने की व्यवस्था की जा रही है। हालांकि अंदर अभी मीडिया के जाने की अनुमति नहीं दी गई है। अंदर हॉस्टल बना हुआ है, वहां
कौन आएंगे? मैडम अब आपका सामने नहीं होगा।
बजरंग, ब्रजभूषण शरण सिंह सारे आरोपों को खारिज।
एक मिनट के लिए सुन लो, रिक्वेस्ट है, यहीं बैठे हैं, 12 बजे तक काम होगा। रिक्वेस्ट आप दूर हो जाए। चलो भाई,
All right, live pictures from Jantar Mantar. We are told that the wrestlers have reached there. As you can see, the wrestlers there sitting once again on the dharna site, as this is a continuation from yesterday's protest that they have been raising. And we've also heard what Bajrang Punia has to say, because he made that appeal to a maximum number of people to join in today's protest. Karishma, over to you for those live pictures coming in.
Well, yes, we can see Vinesh is here, Sakshi is here, Bajrang Punia is sitting over here, Satyavrat Kadian sitting over here on Dharna. They have just arrived here at Jantar Mantar, where they have started the protest. Again, this is going to be once again a silent protest by the wrestlers. We are seeing more and more wrestlers joining in today with the top wrestlers of India. They are at the moment trying to get in as many supporters for this protest as possible. We can see, live pictures over here. The entire area has been surrounded by wrestlers. We are seeing Bajrang calling for more wrestlers to come in. He had posted a video as well last night asking for more support as well. I am going to try and get in a word from the wrestlers. साक्षी, आज आप दोबारा यहाँ पर आई हैं, किस तरीके का सपोर्ट हम देख रहे हैं? कल से ज्यादा रेसलर्स भी हैं यहाँ पर। Vinesh, आप खुद बोलेंगी? So, as you can see, this is going to be a silent protest today by the wrestlers. Sakshi, Vinesh, Bajrang, all of them over here not wanting to speak today. This is going to be a silent protest today at Jantar Mantar. We can see they were here till about 8:30 last night, and today again at about 10:30. All of them are here with more wrestlers today, with more support today at Jantar Mantar, but with the same resolve, the same commitment and dedication, with the one demand that WFI President Mr. Brijbhushan Sharan be removed from his post. मैं एक बार फिर कोशिश करूंगी। साक्षी, कल स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्ट्री ने नोटिस भी इशू किया है, 72 घंटे में जवाब मांगा गया है WFI से। क्या आप संतुष्ट हैं इस इंक्वायरी से जो स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्ट्री ने की है? साक्षी, आप हाँ या ना में अपना सिर भी हिला सकती हैं अगर आप ऑन पे हैं तो। So really no answers coming in from the wrestlers. They're not even reacting to what the sports ministry has done, issued a notice. We have been trying to ask these questions to the wrestlers, but they have decided to be on a silent protest today. It looks like they are not going to speak to the media today, even as more and more wrestlers start coming in for this protest. We are seeing it is almost a house full now. People are standing behind them as well, and they are doing this protest for the removal of WFI president And these are the wrestlers that are sitting over here. Bajrang Punia, Vinesh Fogart, Anshu over here, Sakshi Malik over here, Satyavrat Kadian over here. So all these top wrestlers are here and they are protesting against the WFI president, and we can see that they are at a silent protest today. Their demand continues to remain the same: remove WFI president and give them a meeting with the PM or the HM. They are not willing to meet anybody else. And this is the kind of protest that is happening at Jantar Mantar at the moment, Amita.
Right, but Karishma, please to continue speaking to us and just take the names of the wrestlers who have joined today's protest. Are there more wrestlers since yesterday? Because we saw the appeal that was being made by Bajrang Punia appealing for maximum number of people to join their protest.
Well, yes, we can see junior wrestlers also coming in here, senior wrestlers, top wrestlers, of course, Sakshi, Vinesh, Bajrang sitting over here, and they had a very mature statement to make in the press conference that was held earlier when they said कि उनको पता है, उनके face value है, उनकी credibility है. That is why they are choosing to speak on the future generation, and they very, very maturely, Amita said that they will play one more Olympics, or at the max they will play till 2028, but उसके बाद जो generation आएगी, उनके लिए they are standing up, उनके लिए they are taking a stand that what is happening in WFI, the mental torture that these wrestlers have to go through every single day should not happen for the future generation, and that is why they are collectively together sitting over here at Jantar Mantar. I'm going to try and speak to them again and again, but they are sitting here at a silent protest and they are not willing to speak at the moment. But yes, there was action that was taken by Sports Ministry yesterday. The national camp in Lucknow was also cancelled. The wrestlers who have already reported were asked by the Sports Ministry to leave from there because they do not want the national camp in Lucknow, because Vinesh Fogart had made some very, very serious allegations when she said that the national camp in Lucknow is made for girls only because the president has a house there and it's easy for him to sexually exploit the girls over there. So these allegations were taken very, very seriously by the Sports Ministry, and that is why the national camp was also cancelled. And we can see visuals over here at Jantar Mantar when we are seeing more and more wrestlers, more and more support coming in for all the wrestlers that are here. Multiple media people, of course, trying to get in a word from these wrestlers, but they have decided that it is going to be a silent protest today. Yesterday we had DCW Chief Swati Maliwal come and meet Vinesh, Sakshi over here and all the other wrestlers that were protesting here against the WFI president. We don't know if somebody is going to come and meet them today also, but what is to be noted here is that the wrestlers have the same commitment, the same passion to the demands that they had, that remove WFI president and get them a meeting with the Prime Minister or the Home Minister. We are trying to get in a word from the wrestlers, but at the moment they are sitting in on a silent protest and none of them wanting to speak. They want their action to speak louder than words, and that is why they're sitting here on a protest where they're demanding what they were demanding yesterday, which is the removal of WFI president Mr. Brij Bhushan Sharan, and also that the girls need to be taken care of, Amita.
Absolutely, because Karishma, what is now being said that this silent protest will continue till 11 o'clock. बताया जा रहा है कि 11 बजे फिर से ये मीडिया से बातचीत कर सकते हैं, फिर से मीडिया की ब्रीफिंग कर सकते हैं एथलीट्स.
Yes, Amita, 11 o'clock is when they will talk to the media. 12 o'clock is when they are going to talk to the media, not 11 o'clock. Till then, they are going to sit at a silent protest here in Jantar Mantar. This is what Bajrang Punia has just told us, that 12 p.m. is when they are going to speak to the media. This is going to be a silent protest for the next 1.5 hours. And we have the visuals on our screens, Amita, where we're seeing the top wrestlers, Sakshi Malik, Vinesh Fogart, Anshu Malik, Bajrang Punia, Satyavrat Kadian, all of them here sitting together for the future generation of wrestlers, so that what they have gone through, the future generation of wrestlers does not have to go through in India. Vinesh Fogart, Sakshi Malik, very, very brave and courageous yesterday when they spoke to the media and said that there are allegations of sexual exploitation and that no other girl should go through what, you know, the girls have gone through at the hands of Mr. Brij Bhushan Sharan. In fact, Times Now's Aishwarya spoke to Brij Bhushan Sharan, confronted him, asked him pointed questions that will you resign? And he said, "Aap chahoge to wo bhi kar dete hain." And he was smiling, he was laughing. That is how seriously he was taking the allegations that were put by the top women wrestlers in India. Vinesh Fogart, an Olympian, Sakshi Malik, an Olympic medalist from Rio Olympics, Bajrang Punia, of course, a Tokyo Olympic medalist, and the Olympians have left their practice and are sitting here today. There is some commotion here at Jantar Mantar at the moment because the wrestlers want some sort of space for themselves. That is why there is a bit of a ruckus here at Jantar Mantar. But we are trying to show you whatever visuals we can at the moment. But Bajrang Punia, Anshu, Vinesh, Sakshi all sitting together, you know, very symbolic of showing the unity and, you know, togetherness of the wrestlers in India. Bajrang, of course, posting it on social media as well, and Sakshi Malik lending its support by putting it on her social media page as well when she spoke about